Good morning, Baguio. First morning dito sa Baguio. Ano pa lang guys? 7:08. Ang dami nang nag-golf. Yan, may bagong dating. Johnny Boy can't wait to play. Tomorrow you gonna play? Tomorrow? Yeah, tomorrow siya maglalaro dito. Kasi may ganap tayo today. Today is July 15. Yep. Good morning ulit. Good morning, Holly.
Good morning.
Punta tayo sa baba kasi magbe-breakfast tayo. Yung dalawang boys, hindi raw sila gutom. Huh? And then, gamit ko ulit yung ating blazer. Kasi meron ditong dress code. Bawal daw yung tube. Yung akin, hindi naman siya tube, pero dito kasi sa kabila wala. So, just to be safe, nilagay ko na lang siya. Okay. First down. First down. Do we need the... Okay.
Yeah, we need the car.
Okay.
Okay, now tap the cotton off. Tap the cotton off.
Alright.
Then what number? 1. 1.
Okay. Okay. That was quick.
Come on, Mom.
Alright. Thank you. Where's Daddy? Daddy's second. I think Daddy's in the second
No,
floor.
I didn't see him.
No?
And he needs the key.
Bakery. We'll see if Daddy's here. Parang wala siya. No, I don't see Daddy. Oh, ang ganda rin ng view dito, oh. Ito yung raisin bread na sinasabi ni Jan na kailangan ko matikman. One of the best. No, the best daw itong raisin bread. Andun pala siya. Okay, we're gonna go.
Honeydew and
Honeydew. Okay, thank you. Okay, you can try, Papa. To try. Healthy shots. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Alright. So, alis tayo kasi gusto niyo makita yung nag-golf. So, dito tayo. Sorry.
Should I try, Mom?
I'm not sure.
If I like all of them, I having all of your juice.
Okay, you can try now. It's
Cucumber
Yes.
on the juice thing. It's like just cucumber.
That's carrot.
Try it, Dad. Go for it.
Is it good?
Okay, my turn to try it.
Did
Now,
you try?
now it's your turn to try this one.
What is it? Beetroot?
That's what.
Beetroot.
Beetroot.
Yeah.
Thanks, Dad, for trying it for me. I'm not trying it anymore.
Cucumber and try. No?
I'll go get it.
Okay, we're gonna check the breakfast. Come on.
Okay, I'll try.
Okay, try. It's healthy. Zachary
Oh,
loves
that's
them.
nice.
Okay.
I like that.
Okay, let's go.
Wait for me.
Yes, you're gonna carry your food, Baba. Put it back. So, ito yung buffet breakfast nila.
Okay, Mara.
Okay.
Can I have cornflakes?
Yes. Hello. Hi. Say hi. Zachary is upstairs. Yeah, hindi ayaw daw na mag-breakfast. Same, may sakit.
Pero hindi sila sumama dito.
Nasa taas. Yes, nasa taas sila.
Sana magpa-picture mo, pero wala akong phone.
Even at 3 in the morning, but we're just friends, are we? Said it really ain't crossed my mind. Crossed my mind. Maybe these nights on the phone are just as far as it's going. Guess it really ain't crossed my mind. Crossed my mind. I could be wasting a day with you and that's fine with me. The whole world could be fucked outside, but when we in these sheets, everything just fades away. Would you want fade away?
So, ito yung plate natin. Kunti lang muna kinuha natin kasi busog pa ako from last night. Si Jan, nakita niyo yung longganisa niya kanina, di ba? Papaya. Yung inom ni Holly. Papaya juice. And ang view ni Johnny Boy, ang mga naglalaro doon. Yung room natin nandoon. Somewhere there. Kain tayo.
Mom, look what I did.
You can't wait. You can't wait to play. You're done? You're done? This is the beginning door.
Mom, look how I made my sandwich. Look how I made my toast.
Oh, that's very healthy. Can't see.
Cucumber with egg, butter, and toast. And macaroni. Let's go.
What do you gotta be taking? You don't know how long I'll get paid for someone like you.
Si Jan. Tapos na siya dun sa first round niya. Nandun na siya sa tumitingin siya ng pastry. Nandun daw yung raisin bread.
What do you gotta be taking?
It's nice. Papaya juice. Where's my shot?
The what?
The shot. Careful. Go ahead. Thank you.
Mom, try the beetroot first.
This one? Why?
I want
It's alright.
Oh my god. Carrot?
That is his spot.
Okay, it's okay.
It's alright. It's alright. Kumuha siya ng pancakes. Thank you. Kumuha ako ng sausawan, suka, and ang daming sili niya, oh. So, dyan paubos na ulit yung kanyang pancakes. May dalawa siya dyan na raisin bread. Tinikman ko na. Ang sarap nga. And si Holly tapos na. Ako, ubusin natin to. Kasi kunti lang naman to eh. Pero ang sarap ng ano, what's this one? Apple? Tart? Ang sarap ng mga bread. Tapos na ako pero hindi ko naubos. Ayan. Pardon me. Gusto ko sana kumuha ng bread pero sobrang ayan. Para tayong bunchis. Busog na ni. Pero ito ubusin natin yung papaya juice. Tarap. Si Holly tapos na rin. Si John, alarms na kung nasaan siya. Ito smoking area siya. Sign na siya. May card tayo. Tapos, may binibigay silang receipt after breakfast. Oh, good. Hindi sila nag-breakfast. And, paalis na ulit kami. Ito pala yung OOTD natin, guys. Skirt, long skirt. Then, pa one shoulder na. Top. Terno siya. Pero pwede naman siyang terno ng iba. But, yeah, floral. Yan. And yung chan ko ay syempre malaki na kasi super busog as always. And dala ko yung blazer kasi pag bumababa, may proper code kasi sila guys. So, just to be safe, sinusuot ko to pag bumababa sa lobby and pag kumakain. Tapos pagdating sa car at nasa labas na tayo, pag mainit hubarin ko na lang. So, yan yung ating OOTD. Si Jan, nasa labas na and yung shoes natin the same kasi closed shoes mas safe dito sa Baguio Club House. Nakita yung sisakto ba sa'yo? Meron ako dyan sandals, pero ano, yung parang bawal yung ano, yung kita yung toes. Lalo na pag rubber, yung slippers. Pero yung akin, meron ako dyan yung isa. Pero wag na lang. Ito na lang na shoes kasi comfy naman siya. Okay, do you have the card? No? Okay, can you hold this please? Okay, can you check the door if it's closed? Quick! Para lang sure tayo. Mahangin. Parang medyo ano, malamig today compare kahapon. That's okay. Isa kamay doon ang aking bag. Nahanap namin si Jan. Ang ganda ng view doon no, sa my bakery. 5 minutes lang dito na sila ate. Good morning po. So, initay lang. Tinext ko si Jan. Sabi ko nasaan siya. Hindi namin siya mahanap. Kasi dumiretso kayo dito sa labas. Hindi na kayo umupo sa ano, sa lobby. Kasi sabi ni Ate Gina, 5 minutes lang dito na sila. So, si Holly tsaka si Jan wala dito.
So busy with the hair.
Getting ready. Hi,
Ako
ate.
naman, I went out na. I went to the hospital this
Yeah.
morning.
Every time I fall in love, it seems to be
Just close because it smells. Kasi kaya si Papa.
Look at the horses.
Ayun!
Ayun. You should have wear shorts.
Oo nga, tita.
Mag-ride daw siya ng horse.
Yeah, you have to try it.
What's that?
Come on, let's choose. Dito, samahan mo sila. Okay, thank you, Marie.
Okay. You want what? Strawberry?
Strawberry taho, tita.
Yeah, you should try that taho. Yeah, it's good. I see that on some videos, TikTok. Masarap. I will try.
Strawberry taho.
Yeah, you should try. Yeah.
We just share.
Magpili tayo. That one, Daddy.
Which one? This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Pakitago na lang po yung hotel.
Ano? Too sweet? No, don't wipe it.
Oh, you have to think.
Yeah.
Holly,
Holly?
to put a stamp on you. Too sweet?
Sakay mo na kayo.
Strawberry jam.
Strawberry, yeah.
Hi, John.
Hi, hello po. Hi, hello. Thank you.
Cause I think I do want you next to me.